I found these two boxes, one in a GoodWill, one in a yard sale. Both were $5 or under. Actually, one was free. And I thought it would be kind of neat just to turn them into gift boxes. They're pretty rough to begin with, so I went out and got some supplies, and we're going to show those right here. And this is the stuff we use, and of course the old boxes too. You can see they're kind of rough. Down below you're going to see a link in the description where you can learn how to buy. Highly recommended from the hardware store guys. Prepare the boxes with sandpaper and steel wool. Use different grits to determine what you want to do. We just used finer grits to keep a soft touch to it. We didn't fill in any blemishes or anything like that. We wanted to leave some character to the boxes because the refinishing material would kind of seep in and make it look even darker. But you can see it's cleaning up real nicely. Now we're going to use a mahogany Restor-A-Finish on this. Simple to use. Don't forget your gloves. They really pay back. Saves a lot of time. So just take an old rag or a paper towel, apply, wipe it on, wipe it off, and then let it set for maybe 10-15 minutes before you apply the feeder wax. Very simple process. Steel wool to get into the finer spots or where there might be a little bit of blemish. That'll help rub it into the underfinish. And then feeder wax. Brings out a nice luster to the wood. Much simpler to do than polyurethane. It looks a lot more classy too. Just pour it on, wipe it on, let it set. And basically, that's about it. And you only have to wait 20 minutes. So the project from start to finish is about 45 minutes for the two boxes tops. It actually probably took more time to set up to videotape this for the YouTube channel. Now this is the smaller of the two boxes. You can see that there's some real rough spots on this one, and I think that's kind of cool. The family that had it used it and kind of brings out the character. Let it set. Now going back with you can use just a clean rag. We used some monkey socks to buff it out. Just want to get a nice luster to it. Also, you don't want to be able to pick it up and feel the wax. You want that wax kind of rubbed in and get a nice luster to it. And there it is right there. Looks really nice. And then this is the second one. Once again, this one's got a lot of character. And there they all are finished. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And at the end of the video, you're going to see a couple of places where you can see some of our other videos. Click on those and check those out as well. Hey, thanks for watching. So long.